Hi, my name is Pranav. Today I am going to demonstrate about how to configure the vendor down payment. Vendor down payment or vendor advance both are same. Let us take this as an example. We have paid advance of rupees 1 lakh to the vendor on 1/4/2016, and we have purchased from him on 5th April for rupees 1,50,000 rupees, and we will make the final payment on 10/4/2016. In SAP, whenever we make the down payment, it is treated as special transaction. The procedure is quite simple. When you make the down payment will be treated as special transaction. That special transaction you have to convert into normal transaction. Then that advance amount you have to adjust against the purchases. Then you have to make the final payment. This is the process. Let us start configuring one by one. Now, first and the foremost, you need to create advanced vendor account. Now, please come to new session or display. Okay. Now, advanced vendor. This is 200, 600. These numbers will not be same in all the places. 200, 600. It depends on the chart of accounts. Click on create. Then click on drop down button. Then select loans and advances. Loans and advances is a balance sheet item. Now short text is vendor down payment, vendor down payment account. Then click on control data tab. Here the reconciliation account type is vendor. You have to select, then click on line item, then 012, then create bank interest G067. It is a reconciliation account. Then click on save. We have created vendor down payment account. Now we'll see next. Sorry, I have done 67 instead of 67. It is G026. Remove this, press F4. G026 is accounts for down payment made. Then click on save. Now the next job is NOBYR, where we are going to give a link between the vendor down payment to vendor account. So come to here, NOBYR. Now K and A, please select combination of K and A. Double click on this, enter the chart of accounts. Just a minute, I think it's already opened. One session is already opened. That is why it has got locked. It's already it's already opened here. I'll just double click on this, enter the chart of accounts. Now the reconciliation account. The reconciliation account is vendors control account. So here it is, vendors control account, special GL account. You have to give a link just now what we have created. So it is vendor down payment account. You have to give a link between vendor control account to vendor down payment account. Click on save. Now we will see the next transaction. Now we'll come to end user. You have to make the down payment. The down payment will happen in F-48. Please come here, F-48. So enter the date 1/4/2016, 1/4/2016. Then select the vendor account, press F4. You can select any vendor. I'm going to select cash discount vendor only. Special indicator, press F4 here. Special indicator is A. Whenever we are making the advance, it is treated as current assets. Then press F4 here in the account. Select the bank account. Okay. Then give the value date 1/4/2016. Give a text being advance paid. In real time you can give the vendor name, everything. Press enter. Then press Alt D. Okay. Just a minute. This is going to again I'll select and remove this. Okay. Select vendor 21 A. Again select. Okay. Then 1 lakh. Then value date. Okay. Being advance paid. Then give star. Again plus. Then you have to click on save. Please note we have done the vendor down payment of 1 lakh. Assume on 5th April we have made a purchase of 1,50,000. This is a normal purchase. So F-43 5/4/16 5/4/16 vendor credit 21, enter 1,50,000. Then 40 debit purchase account, press enter. This is a yellow message, you can bypass that. Enter, then click on save. So we have made the purchase. Now we have to make the final payment. Before we are making the final payment, we need to do some adjustments. What are those adjustments? I'll explain to you. So purchase also we have done. Then say we need to convert the special transaction into normal transaction. So this happens in F-54. So -54. So we'll enter 5/4/2016, 5/4/2016. Now remove this, press F4, then select the vendor, then process the down payment. Say we have already paid 1 lakh as the advance. I'm transferring 1 lakh from special to normal. Just double click on this. This will get transferred. Then click on save. See, from down payment to this normal transaction has happened, being down payment converted. Then click on save. Okay, now we will see the next configuration. We have converted the special transaction into normal transaction. Then we have to adjust the advance amount against the invoice. This happens in F-44 44. Then select the account. Okay, this we are going to adjust on 5th April 2016. Click on process open item, press enter. Now you have an advance of 1 lakh. You have made a purchase of 1,50,000. Then you have to click on residual item, then double click on this. So we are going to get 3,000 as a cash discount. Then we need to make the final payment of 47,000. Then click on save. So this is how the new line item has been created. You can give the text being new line item created. In real time you have to enter the proper text which will be understandable by anybody. Then click on save. Now you have adjusted against the purchases. Now you have to make the final payment. So final payment will happen F-53. So please come F-53. Now this you are going to make the payment on 10/4/2016. Tab 10/4/2016. Then select the bank account. Okay, I'll enter some amount. Now I don't know how much. So 10/4/2016. Press F4 here. then select the vendor, process the open item. See, we had to make the payment of 47,000. Okay, overview button, double click on this, control V, then process open item, click on save. So this how we can do the entries. Now please come and check the vendor line item slash NFBL1N, then all items execute. See, this is how the whole process will take place. This is all about vendor down payment configurations. Thank you for listening and viewing my demo. In case you want live project training, please contact me at 8123 999977. I repeat, 8123 999977. Thank you.